Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a partially or semi-permeable membrane. It is a special case of diffusion in that the concentrations of solutions in the water can affect how it occurs. Since water is a polar molecule, many substances dissolve in it. These dissolved substances are termed solutes, and the water is the solvent. Water molecules cluster around molecules of the solute. Because some water molecules cluster around a solute when it is dissolved, there are less free molecules which can diffuse to other areas. This effectively lowers the concentration of the water. Water potential measures the concentration of free water molecules. It is a measure of the tendency of these molecules to diffuse to another area. The more free water molecules, the higher the water potential. Water diffuses by osmosis from a region of high water potential to a region of low water potential through the water potential gradient. Osmosis can therefore be defined as the diffusion of water from a region of high water potential to a region of low water potential through a partially permeable membrane. Water potential is measured in kilopascals, where the highest water potential is 0 kilopascals and the lower water potentials go into negative numbers. Since cells contain various biological molecules such as sugars and salts, they have water potentials lower than 0. Water may move in or out of a cell depending on the water potential gradient between the inside and the outside. When water diffuses into a plant cell, when it is placed into a solution of a higher water potential than inside it, the cell contents will expand. However, since plant cells are surrounded by a strong cell wall, they will not burst. The cell contents will push against the cell wall and the cell will become turgid. If a plant cell is placed in a solution of lower water potential, water will diffuse out. This causes the cytoplasm to shrink and become flaccid. If enough water leaves, the cytoplasm will pull away from the cell wall and the cell will become plasmarized. Animal cells will also expand when they are placed into a solution of higher water potential. Since animal cells do not have cell walls, if this happens excessively, the cell will burst open and become hemolyzed. If water leaves an animal cell by osmosis, it will shrink and appear wrinkled. Hopefully, this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.